Juliet X, maintaining 3000, 1020.
Alpha Juliet X, Roger, squawk 7253.
Squawk 7253, Alpha Juliet X.
Alpha Juliet X approach.
Go ahead, sir, Alpha Juliet X. Squawk 3642, Alpha Juliet X. Hotel Alpha Juliet X is crossing leaving circuit right hand Alpha Sierra Bravo call is joining in office. Nomic now Alpha Papa Bravo Juliet proceed.
Juliet Whiskey approach.
Calling Alpha 10 minutes, requesting to proceed to the transformation Alpha Juliet proceed.
7.5 allowance.
Control East 175 and office Alpha Juliet X.
Alpha Juliet taxi, climb 2000 feet, QNH 1019, squawk 4367. Report established outbound radial 263 of Lima Alpha View.
4367, flight 3000, call you established radial 263 Lima Alpha Juliet X. No controls, Nomic Alpha Papa Bravo Juliet X. Alpha Juliet Whiskey right down at 14.
Settlement light and clear, but first setting right, clear, setting go affiliate on, maintain affiliate. Not available, sir, not available.
Any other area available, sir, to the south?
Negative, not available.
Sorry, copy, neutral.
Alpha Juliet X at course of 0 Papa, go ahead your flying time endurance hold on board.
Register any code and Sarva, Alpha Juliet X. Register climbing 3000, Alpha Juliet X. Hotel Alpha Juliet X is downwind, leaving circuit right hand out, calling joining in office. Hotel Alpha Juliet X, number flying 04, switching off, thank you, all office.